So take a look at this, and it might look like a scene from a Hollywood movie, but it's not. I generated this entire scene, the dialogue, the sound, the music, everything from just a single line of text. This comes from the new clean 2.6 model, which can you use on platform like Hicksville, and it promises to do something no AI has really done before, generate a complete audio scene, movie scene in one go. This could honestly change how movies are made. For years, the big dream in AI video was getting everything to work together, not just generating silent publicities, but creating scenes where the visual dialogue and sound all make sense at the whole time. That's the problem platform like Hicksville are trying to solve. The act as an AI-powered production site, and the star of today's show is Kling 2.6, a model that claims it can generate video with perfectly native audio. We are talking the frame that it's so simple, background sounds and sound effects, all created from a simple text description. But I'm not here to test a simple talking head video. I want to see if that thing can handle a truly complex cinematic idea. But I'm going to do so. I'm pushing this to the absolute limits to find out if the hype is real. So no extra editing, you're gonna not waste any second of your time anymore. Just take a look at this. So my idea was to create a tense, atmospheric scene, a detective in a rain-soaked alley making a shocking discovery. To do this right, everything has to start with a flawless base image. So working inside one of these AI production sites, I started with a top-tier image generator known for creating a hyper-realistic visual. It's perfect foundation for a cinematic video. So my prompt was a photorealistic image of a weary detective standing in a narrow, rain-slilled alley at the night. A neon sign casts long, dramatic shadows, focus on his determined expression, and he looks down at something just out of frame. So with this image generator, it was the time to bring it to life. So I switched over the video generating tools, which gave you the professional style, controls over the camera, style, and motion. Here I made sure to select the clean 2.6 audio model. This is the where the magic is supposed to happen. My prompt needed to be super specific, defining not just an action, but the entire soundscape. So the prompt was I landed on the animate from the image button, slowly dove to the detective's face, his eyes widen as he kneels down, and hear the continuous sound of noise. And he whispered with a shocked and raspy tone, "It can it be?" The camera flows his gazelle dribble, mysterious glowing locket on the ground. So this is the moment of truth. This is now processing everything in a single pass, the animation, the camera movie, the lip sign, and the rain, the syrup, and the music. There is no stitching separate audio and video tracks together, so it's all or nothing. So this is the prompt that I just taught you. Now just click here to generate, and it's going to offer you a plan if you like to go with it. And let me go back to my prompt and just generate my clip right now. So here it's already generating a beautiful video. You can see it's in progress. You can go and create your account and sign up for free. If you like to go, just click here and sign up fast and easy. After that one small adjustment to the audio description in the prompt, this is the final result that I got. I just recently show you a complete high definition movie scene generated on one platform from one simply idea. So this really feels like a huge leap forward. Just a year ago, we were celebrating silent 8-second AI clips that had all sort of bizarre emotion problems. Now we are generating entire scene with a dialogue and a full of sound mix from the text to prompt for independent creator, filmmakers, advertisers. This can help you create so fast. Being able to generate a high quality audio visual concept is quickly and revolutionary for storyboarding and pre-visualization. So it has the ability to create a mood, deliver any kind of dialogue, and understand the language of cinema is undeniable. So it's really useful right now, and I'm personally so lucky to try out this. So I'm sure it's gonna help you a lot. So once again, here I'm gonna show you how you can reach out to this site. Just type in Google Hicksville and it's going to pop up here. Click here and you can see the available tool is going to be here, and you can create your videos. These are the main page that I'm gonna show you right now. These are the other tools available. So I just go to the explore. You can try it out as well. I just went to the video button and just search for my tool, and here is a Kling 2.6 that I just use to create my beautiful video. So these are the other tools as well. You can try a Kling one edit, or there are other Kling avatars 2.0 tool as well, and you can see so many things available right here. And so I just went with this Kling 2.6 and I generated my video based on my prompt that I just filled in, and I use this photorealistic image of a very detective standing in a narrow, rain-light alley at night. Neon signs cast long dramatic shadows, focus on his determined expression, and he looks down at something just out of a frame. So as a plus, I just uploaded here my picture that I just generated to have the AI create the image that I'm looking for. So I'm just uploaded this video with this for a video. So this is where you can upload it. You can change here the tool if you like to go for Kling 2.5 or Kling 1 or other tools. This all mean the tools like Kling 2.6 are opening up a video creation to more people faster than ever before. This isn't about replacing creators, it's about giving them a new impossibly powerful paintbrush. So let me sum up this right now. So what do you think? Is this the future of filmmaking, or is it just a cool tool? Let's make it happen and create your new posts and videos. I left some links if you want to explore these tools for yourself. And if you want to see more push these AI tools even further, make sure you subscribe for more. And see you next time.